In this L2 data mapping video, we're going to go through the process of creating an export in data mapping. Now, this is the same process whether you're using the voter application, constituent application, or consumer application. So in this case, we're going to use a created universe Barrington test that we've already purchased. You can see the shopping cart's grayed out, and I'm going to click on it. Now I'm going to go into the universe details over to the right and click on download this universe. From there, you'll see download and export by clicking on the name below. We currently don't have any, or by clicking on the new button right here. This is then going to take us to the include exclude, this little hand-picked button universes. Hand-picked universes are those universes that you can create, and I've included a link in the description of this video to how to do this, but these are universes you can create individually by selecting people to always be included or excluded in any universe you have. Now, this might be used for in a campaign, maybe it's your opponent, or maybe it's your candidate. Either way, you want to either have them excluded or included always in every list. Maybe it's a rival business or a competitor you don't want included, so you'll use the exclusion button, or maybe it's the business owner, so you always want to include it. In this case, I've created an exclusion universe called Never Send. I click on the Never Send universe, and now I'm going to be able to exclude it from this list. From there, I'm going to click Next. And what it's doing is it's currently loading or opening the hand-picked universe and making sure that it's removed from the total universe. Once that's done, I'm able to pick my export format. In this case, we're going to use data export in CSV format. You have a whole host of different formats here, but we'll use the CSV format. It's the most commonly used in our system. And then click on Next. And this is where you get to choose your column set. Now, if you have a preset column set already, you can choose it from here. In most cases, though, people are going to start with simple, extended, or L2ID. The simple format is around 35 basic columns: name, address, phone, some basic demographics, some vote history. Extended is more of those demographics, as well as more vote history. And then the L2ID file is just the unique identifier LAL voter ID or L2C consumer ID. In this case, we're going to create a custom field set. Let's say we want to do this for a texting program. So we'll go to Custom Field Sets, New, Person Data, ID, and we're going to make our selects. So let's say we want to include first name, last name. Under Area Selections, we're going to include under State, Zip Code, and then we're going to go down to telephones, and we're going to include cell phone. Great. And let's even include confidence code just for that. And we'll call this texting output 1. You can see the fields you've selected. Click Use. Now, this can always be reused or edited in the future simply by creating a new universe and clicking Custom Field Sets, but for now, this is what we want. We want to make sure it is a zipped file, and we're going to generate. It takes just under 2 seconds to create, and then click Download, and the file is automatically downloaded to your desktop for you to then be able to work with. And that's how you download data in L2 data mapping.